Okay. All right, Bailey, you can open it up. Do you know what that is?
Oh, fidget spinner.
What is it?
A fidget spinner.
A fidget spinner. Do you know what those are?
Yeah. I know what they are. I want one.
Well, that's for both of you. They only had one.
I want to try it first. I wanted one for way longer than you.
Okay. Do you know how it works?
I know how it works.
There you go.
I want to try.
All right, let your sister play with it for a minute.
I thought they lighted up.
I'm sure they have some that do.
Yeah, some. That's bubblegum.
Yeah, can't you?
It's my turn. It's my turn. Oh, you can do tricks.
You can do tricks?
Yeah, you can do tricks.
Same candlestick.
Really, it's my turn. It's like you can balance it on your thumb.
Well, you need to stop dropping it.
My turn.
All right.
I like that fidget spinner.
All right.
What?
There you go. All right, let me see. Let's see. Let me see what it does. I wonder how long it'll spin for.
Let's see. For about
So it's
5
called-
minutes or so.
So this is the one from Spinner Squad, Top Trends.
How long can it spin?
It says it's the fastest, voted #1 for fastest and longest spin. So you're just gonna sit there and wait for it to stop.
Yes.
That's what you're gonna do.
Yes. So fidget spinners spin for about 5 minutes or more.
Well, I don't think.
Some spin up to 20 minutes.
I don't know about all that. I don't think that's very interesting. Let me see it, baby.
I made
All
it
right,
stop.
so hold on,
Sometimes you
let's
can do
see.
tricks with it.
I don't. You keep saying that, but
Whoa, you can do. Wow. Let me do it in front of the video.
wait, hold on. Let's do this.
I want to do it in front of the video.
All right, stop.
Cool.
Let's see.
Can you see me?
I can definitely see you, Bailey. Now move. Don't touch it. Let's
I'm
see.
not.
Look at it go. It's still going.
Can you touch the bubblegum part?
No, you can't touch the bubblegum part.
You can touch this part, but you can't touch that part.
Voted #1 fastest and longest spin.
This is the fastest spin one ever. After you, I want to try doing it on
It
the
says
table.
spins up to 3 minutes.
What?
That's what it says on the box. It says it spins up to 3 minutes.
Now we're going to be sitting here waiting for a fidget spinner to stop spinning.
Don't touch it.
Cool.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
No. You can touch this
No,
part.
let's not touch it at all. It says it was
Can you see
gonna.
me?
Of course, I can see you.
This is a fidget. How much dollars was this?
I don't know, but you know what? I don't know. It's not on the box.
It's almost done. Can I play with the fidget spinner? I want to play with it.
Yes. Hold on. Wait
I
for it.
called first.
Yes, Elise can definitely play with it. All right, let it spin. It's almost done. It's almost done. It's still spinning. Still spinning.
Should I stop it?
No, don't stop it. I don't think that was 3 minutes though.
Hey, you
Okay.
stopped it.
Yeah, I
Can I
did.
try? Okay.
Hold on. Let's look at it.
Let me investigate.
You're gonna investigate. That's what you're gonna
I
do.
want to do it in
Yeah, this is bubble gum. You're right.
Bubblegum. I'm going to show it to them in the video.
Okay. Elise is doing it.
It spins fast. Wait a minute.
Yeah, I gotta put it on the ground and spin it fast. Okay, we just got finished doing that.
I'm
So,
going to pick it up.
well, don't drop it. Don't break it.
I want to try.
They only had one.
It's a chainsaw. Wait, it's a saw.
You sawed off your hand.
Saw off my hand.
Alright, let's see it.
Wait, I want to wait until.
Alright, we're gonna have to go look up and see if we can do any fidget spinner tricks.
Ooh! It's
What do you
my
think?
turn, Daddy.
There you go.
No, face it up. Oh my god, this is bubble gum. Different kind of color bubble gum. I have an idea. I think I'm spin like this.
Okay. There you go.
You're trying to be the show off.
Where'd you see a fidget spinner before?
Cammy had one.
Alright. So, what do you think about a fidget spinner?
I love it. After her, I'm gonna do a trick with it.
Okay. Let's see Elise do a trick. Alright. What's your trick?
This is gonna be my trick. Spinning our door. Oh my.
Yeah, let's try not to drop it. I think it might,
Can it be my turn again?
hold on. Let's see. Alright. Well, well, I think that this is it for this fidget spinner.
No.
Well, I mean, we just wanted to see what they were all about. Just wanted to see what they were all about. They only had one. It's a pretty hot toy. They sell out pretty quick. This is a bubblegum one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is bubblegum. So this was the spinner squad. Key features: R188 center bearings with 608 exterior bearings. Spins up to 3 minutes.
Which is probably not true.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it can.
If you spin it hard enough.
Yeah, if you spin it hard enough. I don't know. I kind of expected more.
Can I see it in the video?
Yeah, just give me a minute. I kind of expected more. It's a lot of craze, but...
I'm going to do a cool trick, Daddy.
Alright, what trick do you want to do?
I'm going to try and see if this... I forgot the name, Daddy.
It's called a fidget spinner.
If this fidget spinner can spin on my head.
No, we're not doing that.
No.
No, we're not doing that, because I don't want to drop it. It breaks easy. Here. Give it back to me.
Wait, storing it. Wait, you have to keep your finger on it. Or
No, that's going to be funny until it grabs your hair.
It's not around my hair. Let me show. No.
Alright, so
Well, it's bent on my head, though. Can I show that?
I think that's enough for the fidget spinner.
Baby.
Alright, that's enough for the fidget spinner. That's it. Bye.